Hello, I am Dr. Helen Naggs, the Vice President of New Skin Global Research and Development. We all know that nourishing through hydration is a crucial step in caring for your skin, especially the delicate facial skin. It can help to reduce sensitivities and keep wrinkles to a minimum. But maintaining soft, supple skin can be difficult. Meet ageLOC Galvanic PowerMask. This ultra-modern treatment, which utilizes biocellulose fibers, harnesses the power of ageLOC Galvanic Spa to give your skin an instantly refreshed, hydrated, and visibly renewed and plumped appearance. And then, paired with Galvanic's negative current, the charged hyaluronic acid in the product mobilize to deliver a surge of refreshing hydration to your skin. The ageLOC Galvanic PowerMask uses humectants, including trialose, glycerin, and charged hyaluronic acid, acts as a moisture magnet to help hydrate and condition. An ageLOC blend targets the sources of aging to preserve your youthful look. So how can you get all the benefits from ageLOC Galvanic Spa PowerMask? First, begin with clean skin. Delicately unfold the mask and remove the mesh lining on one side. Apply the mask to your face with the unlined side on your skin. Remove the mesh lining on the other side and adjust the mask to your face. Next, hold ageLOC Galvanic Spa with a moistened hand while touching the chrome plate on the back. Use Galvanic Spa Selection number 5 for 2 minutes. For a more intensive treatment, use Galvanic number 4 for 5 minutes. Begin your ageLOC Galvanic Spa treatment, gently placing the device to your skin, starting at the center of your face and moving outwards. After the Galvanic Spa treatment, relax and leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, remove the mask, massage the remaining product into your skin, and follow with your regular skincare regimen. It's a great complement to your Galvanic Spa facial gels. In just minutes, PowerMask delivers a blend of moisture particles for intense hydration. Thanks for watching.